Sky Space, the Royal Tantra on the Great Perfection of Bodhicitta. We blaze in the light of untarnished wisdom. We cut through our demarcations about taking things in and holding on to them. We experience awareness that has no object and is beyond grasping. This is a transmission in which ignorance and awareness are not two things. We hold the wheel of a voice that is beyond speaking. Buddhas and sentient beings are not a duality. We abide in a single self-luminous great bliss. In the mandala of self-originating excellence, the Dharma of knowing objects and naming appearances is not present. There is a light that seems to be the origin of all things, the sky. From out of the mandala of unborn wisdom, we hold the mudra of fully liberated awareness. The transmission in which we are perfected, in the heart essence of our own wisdom, has a way in which we experience the clarity in a blazing light. This is a mandala that is self-originating and is completely pure. In samsara itself there is primordial Buddhahood. Without any contrivance and without any cleansing, we are primordially pure. The perfect transmission is the transmission of the bodhicitta. In the transmission of the mind, there is no duality. The way of total liberation is like that of the sky. The sun of self-luminous light dawns on our true natures, which are primordially pure. In the mandala of the clear light of wisdom, there are no dharmas that would purify our growth or our obstruction. On the path, misunderstandings and understandings are one, just as the different waves of water are one. We do not mix. We are one in complete perfection. From among the fields of practice for a supreme vajra, we use the dominion of the Dharma that is obstructed and purified. For an experience of the space of unlimited wisdom, for a true self that is a great and spontaneous realization, an awareness that clings to a position, is primordially pure.